In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the word count in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school paper, drafting a blog post, or preparing a report for work, knowing your word count can be essential. Let's dive in and learn the simple steps to uncover this useful bit of information using Google Docs. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Google Docs. Fire up your web browser and navigate to Google Docs by either typing Google Docs into your search engine or heading directly to docs.google.com. This will bring you to your Google Docs homepage where you can see a list of documents you've recently worked on. Now click on the document you want to check the word count for. This could be one you're currently working on or an existing document where you need to verify or monitor the word count. Once the document is open, you'll see the familiar interface packed with tools, formatting options, and your written content laid out. Next up, you'll want to look at the menu at the top of the screen. Among these options, you'll find Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools. The Tools menu houses various helpful resources within Google Docs, from spell checkers to dictionary functions, all aimed at enhancing your document writing experience. Once you've clicked on Tools, the next step is straightforward. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Word Count. It's a concise option partway down the list that will open a small window displaying the details you're interested in. This word count window provides more than just the number of words. You'll see a breakdown that includes the total pages, words, characters, and characters, excluding spaces. Useful if you have specific character limits to work within. This feature offers a comprehensive view so you can understand the breadth and depth of your document at a glance. A new feature you might find valuable is the small checkbox option at the bottom of this window. By checking Display Word Count while typing, you can see the word count constantly updated at the bottom corner of your document as you write. This is a fantastic tool if you're required to keep within a certain word count without continuously stopping to check. So there you have it, a simple, effective way to find your word count in Google Docs. Next time you're drafting a document, follow these steps and you'll have a clear and immediate insight into how much you've written at any point. Remember, managing your word count can help keep your writing concise, focused, and easier to read. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.